Hello, fellow coders. Welcome back to another coding challenge. Today, we are going to tackle the problem of grouping anagrams in an array of strings using JavaScript. But before we dive into the solution, let's make sure we understand what an anagram is. So, first of all, an anagram is a word or phrase found by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase using all the original letters exactly once. So, for example, listen and silent are anagrams because they use the same letters just rearranged. And now let's take a look at the problem statement. So we are given an array of strings and our task is to group the anagrams together. The order of the groups doesn't matter. We just need to ensure that all anagrams are grouped together. So all right, let's dive into the code. We will start by defining a function called group anagrams, and that takes in an array of string as input. So first we'll write const anagrams map equals to new map for let str of strs. Here we have to sort each string alphabetically to identify anagram. So for that we'll write const sorted str equals to str dot split empty string dot sort dot join, and we have to check if the sorted string exists in the map or not. So for that we'll write if condition which is not equals to anagrams map dot has sorted str, and here if not initialize it with an empty array, then we'll write anagrams map dot set sorted str empty array. Okay, and after that we have to push the current string into the corresponding array in the map. So for that anagrams map dot set, actually get, we have to use sorted str dot push str. Okay, and we have to return the value of the map which are arrays of anagrams. So array dot from okay. So let's first of all break down the code. Let me run the code before that. Okay, it has accepted. So let's break down the code. So we are using a map data structure to efficiently group anagrams. So we iterate through each string in the input array, and for each string we sort its characters alphabetically to create a unique identifier for anagrams. If the sorted string doesn't exist in the map, we initialize it with an empty array. So then after that we push the current string into the array corresponding to its sorted version, and finally we return an array containing all the arrays of anagrams which are the values of the map. So and there you have it. So we have successfully solved the problems of grouping anagrams in an array of strings using JavaScript. So I hope you found this explanation very helpful. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding challenges and tutorials. So happy coding everyone. Thank you. Bye. Let me submit it before that going. Yeah, I was knowing it. It's usually more than faster 80 point 84.01% of JavaScript online submissions are group anagrams. Yeah, it is accepted. Now we can sign off. Thank you.